This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Here is your opportunity to own 4.99-acre high-end dry land in Clermont with no HOA. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located on approximately 4.99 fenced acres. This open floor plan of dining room, living room and kitchen combination once you come into the home. This home features 3 open bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms. This home features 3 porches which are screened. The home includes a detached storage barn and additional concrete pad with water and RV hookup. The detached storage features a studio bedroom. The property has many mature oak trees that give you a feeling of old Florida and peace and tranquility. Additional added features include above-ground pool and child outside play area. Located within minutes to Clermont shopping and dining areas. Come and see today. For more information, review the details below.